So today we are going to learn chapter number 11, and I would like to suggest to you, if you really want to understand chapter number 11, so you must watch chapter number 10, because chapter number 10 I taught the use of make, get and have, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 11, in which I am going to teach you the use of making, getting and having, because we are following in this chapter present continuous tense, and as you all know, present continuous tense we have to follow ing form, यानी verb का चौथा रूप. So in this way I have brought a chapter for you which is the use of making, getting and having. You can see the structure on the board. I have written 3 structures, or 3 of the structures are being followed by a particular structure which is a basic structure of this chapter, in which I have written subject plus ism are plus V4 plus other word. And look at over here, what I have done is I have made make, making, get, getting and have, having because of ism are. Or as I use making, getting and having and connect with object plus V1, the sense will be second person does the job. Similarly, the way I taught chapter number 10, in which we learned कि मैं तुम्हें रुलाता हूँ, वह मुझे हंसाती है, मैं तुम्हें खिलाता हूँ, वह मुझे खिलाती है, like that. So in this chapter the sense will be वह मुझसे कहानी लिखवा रहा है. He is making me write a story. He is making me, यानी कि he is making me write a story. He is getting me to write a story, या he is having me to write a story. अगर मैं written structures, written example follow करूँ तो I am making you comprehend. Next, I am getting you to comprehend. और next, I am having you to comprehend, which means मैं तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ. अगर हम इसको फॉलो करें तो she is making us think positively, she is getting us to think positively, और she is having us to think positively, which means वह हमें सकारात्मक रूप से सोचवा रही है. In this way you can create tons of examples, hundreds of examples. Like one two example I can give it to you. वे हमें चेयर पर बैठा रहे हैं. They are making us sit on chair. They are getting us to sit on chair. They are having us to sit on chair. एक और देख लेते हैं. हम तुम्हें बिस्तर पर सुला रहे हैं या बेड पर सुला रहे हैं. We are making you sleep on bed. We are getting you to sleep on bed, or we are having you to sleep on bed. So in this way you can create a lot of examples, and I hope you must have understood. If you have understood, so create so many examples by watching my examples. So I would like to conclude my speaking. I'll meet you in my next video. Goodbye.